Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the troubleshooters are not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. An error message when attempting to run on of those troubleshooters that's not running properly or not get fixed by the troubleshooters. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Now check my video description for commands guys. Copy the first command, right click and copy it, and right click the bar and eject and paste it. Press enter guys. After that, being system scan, this process will take some time. Verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. Go ahead and copy the next command guys. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. Press enter guys. The command was scan file checker utility scan guys. The second one is clean up images and restore health, and something like disk will clear you guys. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC guys. This 7% need to get 100%. Go ahead, after finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully you can resolve by your issue. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.